Hey lawn lovers, BW here. Hey, spring's finally come and winter's finally gone, so let's go take a look and see what the snowplow left us. Okay, doesn't look too bad this year so far. Let's go take a look at the end though, where the snowplow really leaves it. Here we go. You can see there's a lot of dirt and stuff down there. It needs to be raked, a lot of sand. You usually get rocks and sand. All kinds of stuff here. And it's not good for the lawnmower. It'll tear up your blades, so you want to rake this out. That's what I'm going to do here today. Well, there's more here than I thought there was. Then there's always along the edge of the driveway, there's a few rocks that come off the driveway and get on that grass too. And they're actually a little bit bigger usually, so I want to get all those off as well. This is new grass I planted last fall, so I don't want to rough it up too bad, but I want to get the rocks off of there. There's the rocks. I can see I'm kind of hurting it a little bit, but it'll grow back. Really need to get the dirt out of here. This is where the whole main piles from the snowplow sat all winter. Everything just kind of piles up right here. Wish I'd get more sand out of there. Hopefully I'm getting the rocks out. There's some rocks. All right, let's go do the edge of the driveway now. Just move the camera over here. Yeah, they're in there, a lot of rocks. I know they just kind of peel up off the driveway from shoveling and stuff and wear and tear on the pavement. But, and then I shovel them off the driveway and with the snow and they land on the grass. Surprised how many there are of them. Maybe the blower took care of some of that sand. Hey, cleaning up the curb is something that people rarely do. So if you're willing to do this, you'll clearly separate yourself from the neighbors. Hey, there it is, and it's looking pretty good. Don't miss my next video. We'll take a look and see how the gardens are doing. Until then, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button and ring the bell that pops up next to it. That way you won't miss the next video. And remember, don't worry about it. You can do it.